Gotta find a vacuum for the car. Car's got more Christmas presents. Let's take a look, shall we? Ooh, let's go this way. It's prettier.
I'm thinking of that right now. I don't
Press this one. So, just a little pre-Christmas video. Went and picked up my test results. We'll talk about that tonight. Yeah. A lot of flags got raised. There's about 4 flags to every page. Gotta sit down tonight and go through everything. So, to distract myself for now, we're going to find a vacuum for the car. Oh, little tiny boxes. I was almost thinking of putting shelves back in the back of the van. I haven't decided what I'm going to do. Because I really didn't want to add any more wood. And I can build a closet out of that purple stuff. And then I got to cover it with something. So, I don't know, maybe the shelves are better. I haven't decided. Or the drawers, I mean the drawers. I was trying to look through the kind of furniture department. So, I don't really... Oh, where was this last week? It's kind of plain. I like the blue better. I like the I Dream of Jeannie better. This place is a disaster. I was looking for alternative storage. Oh, look at, they got pink ones up there. I miss my bean bag. Oh, yeah, this ain't the place for vacuum. Yeah, I had a Roomba. Should have pawned that. What a great big kayak. That looks nice. That was a cool strap to the roof. What do you think? $3 with blankets. Wow. Oh, and there's more, but they don't sell the battery. That's what we go first. A million ways to hang crap that don't work. Not in Florida, anyway. I don't know what that is. How big are they? Hold on. Oh, 50 by 60. Alright, let's think about that for a minute. That's kind of cute. And we got the plain blue one. I'm making a tent inside. Everything looks like Christmas. It's only lasting a few more weeks. Don't do that. I'm gonna get the blue one. Making a tent over the bed. So it will come out a little bit better. I'm just trying to think if I use 2. It's probably better. They're very lightweight. Oh, now we're off to find a vacuum for the car. Oh, gun cases. Right. Oh, look at the car stuff. Where's the car aisle? Camping. Oh, they keep moving everything.
I really don't need anything.
No, I already have it. Okay, I'm officially tired of the moving everything in the store. Oh my God. Back again. Yeah. This was only supposed to be a quickie video and it's turning into a big whole thing. Oh. Oh. Oh, there's too much stuff. There's a new rug for the floor. The other one I got is very slippery. And there's two fairly big ones for $10. Are they all $10? Let's take a peek. No, of course they're not. These are 10. I got a blue. Two kinds of blue. What are these ones? Oh, $25? You can get that in Dollar General. These nubby guys. Look at the nubby guys. These are $12 in Dollar General. They want $25. That's insane. Or $20 for this. That can't be right. You got a whole bathroom set for $20, but the nubbies are $25 for two? That makes no sense. But I keep sliding on my rug. Yeah, too much. There's not enough. Maybe there's a navy blue. I got navy blue and silver. I bet it's dirty fast. There's one navy blue left. I'm taking it. Is it the same rug? Yeah. Okay. Navy blue for the car. Oh, $13 for the little tiny toilet. So you can't even buy it by itself for cheaper. $9 a piece for the nubbies. Okay, I gotta find car stuff. Where is car parts? Yeah. Oh, I think I'm gonna leave this one here because if I ever find the car parts, I'll let you know. See you guys later. Bye. Oh, I'll see you tonight, 9:30. Be there, be square. Hump Day Live. Hump Day Night Live. Okay, still looking for car parts. I'll see you guys later. Bye. See you tonight, 9:30.